This is going to be a video tutorial on how to close all tabs at once on the Brave browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Brave web browser. If you look down here at the bottom, you can see my tab icon. If I tap on my tab icon, I currently have 4 tabs opened up. I'm going to tap on Done. Now, to close all tabs at once, you want to put your finger on the tab icon and hold it there for about 2 seconds. You'll see this drop down appear, and the top thing is close all 4 tabs. If I tap on that, it will close all 4 tabs. The next thing down is close all other tabs, and the next thing down is close tab, which means you close your current tab. I'm going to tap on close all 4 tabs. Now it asks me again, am I sure that I want to close all 4 tabs? I'm going to tap on close all 4 tabs again. Now I simply have the tab open that I'm currently on. That is how to close all tabs at once on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.